Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about a very interesting topic. So as you already know that Google is out with numerous websites and platforms for you and I to make money on a daily basis. They have YouTube where you can monetize your video content. They also have AdSense where you can monetize your articles via a blog website, and they also have Admob where you can monetize your mobile apps and games and lots more. And the best part of this is that you don't need to be a professional before you are allowed to partake in this oil money. Okay, Google oil money. Now in this guide I will walk app developers can choose from various formats or units, including the banner ads unit, interstitial ads unit, rewarded ads unit, and native ads unit. Okay, now how do I get started with Google Admob? To get started with Google Admob, the first thing you need to do is to create an Admob account. To go over to your browser and search for Google Admob. Okay, now once you've seen it, all you need to do is to go ahead and create an account. Now also you will provide your necessary information to get your account reviewed and approved. And do not forget to add your payment information so as to get your account reviewed for approval. Now without getting approved, your account won't be allowed to get monetized. When your account is approved, then you can now set up Admob ads unit. You also might find it hard these days to get an Admob account approved. Okay, now how do I get my Admob account approved? To ensure that your Admob account gets faster approval, there are certain things you need to put in place. As you already know that Google has lots of policies which all publishers should know and keep to. Now comply with Admob policies. Get to know all the Google Admob policies and guidelines to ensure 100% compliance. Also adhere to their content quality and the format requirements to increase chances of getting approval. Input your correct account information. Make sure that the account information you're giving them is the right one. Add the right payment details to it. When you create your account and fail to add the right payment information, your approval will still be pending. Until you add that, you will then tell Google that you're ready for business. Now make sure your payment information corresponds with your account information, name and address. Now how do you build and monetize apps with Admob without coding? Now do you know that building and monetizing mobile apps without coding or writing any single line of code is now possible, thanks to the innovative web no-code app builders out there. First thing you need to do, you need to choose a no-code app builder. Now there are different app builders out there, and choosing the right one is a good foundation in your Admob app monetization. Not all of these app builders allow for monetization with Admob. Okay, so make sure you explore platforms like Mobirola, App Creator 24 and Quick App Ninja, which offer intuitive interfaces for creating and monetizing good mobile apps without any coding. The next thing you need to do is to create your mobile app. It's time to use the no-code app builder to design and customize your mobile app according to your vision. You can add features, app content, and your preferred brand elements to make your app appear more unique. You also need to integrate Admob ads unit, okay, using the built-in monetization option provided by the chosen no-code app builder. It's important to first add the Admob test ads on your newly built app for a while before adding your Admob account ads unit. It helps secure your account and keep your app ready for ads display. Now, best no-code app builders for Admob monetization. Like I stated earlier, not all the no-code app builders out there have the option for monetization, especially with Admob ads. So from my experience and research, we have the first one, Mobirola App Builder. Now Mobirola App Builder offers a user-friendly platform with drag and drop tools for building and monetizing professional mobile apps. They also provide seamless integration with Admob for fast and easy monetization purposes. The next one is App Creator 24 App Builder. Now this enables users to create both iOS and Android apps without any coding knowledge. They also support Admob ads integration, which allows you to monetize your mobile app effortlessly. Now we have the Quick App Ninja App Builder. This also simplifies the gaming app creation process. With its intuitive and user-friendly interface and pre-built gaming app templates, they also offer seamless integration with Google Admob to help you monetize your mobile game app. Once you've created your mobile app or games with any of the above listed app builders, now follow these simple steps to monetize it with Google Admob. The first thing you need to do is to create your Admob ads unit. Copy the code and add to the provided section on the No Code App Builder Monetization tab. Next, you need to implement the banner ads unit. Now, it's very important for you to integrate your banner ads unit into your app's interface if you want your users to see the banner. You can add it to places such as the top or the bottom of the app screen to display advertisements without disrupting the user's experience. If you want more revenue, then you can utilize interstitial ads to display full screen ads at natural breaks in your mobile app's content. How to get more downloads for your app? As you already know, to make more money from Admob, you need to get users for your app, and the more users you have, the more money flows in. There are certain ways to promote your app and get lots of downloads. Publish on app stores. I recommend you make your app available on the popular app stores like the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Amazon App Store to reach a wider audience for your app. Now, you also need to promote your app via paid ads. This is business, and to get higher visibility, it's important to invest in targeted advertising campaigns using ad platforms like Facebook, the Google Ads, or YouTube Ads to promote your mobile app to potential users. Like the popular saying, we use money to get money, okay? Leverage word of mouth. You know people and your friends before now, so you can start by telling your friends about your app and they can spread the message. Also, encourage satisfied users to recommend your app to other friends and family on their social media handles. Best free app store sites to publish apps for free. We have Appure, APKPURE. Now, this is one of the app stores that allows developers to promote their apps. You can also utilize this site in promoting your apps and get more users. Now, the next one is Google Play Store. Though it is not totally for free, with just $25, you can create your Play Console account and promote your app. This is the largest app store for Android devices. They also offer a vast audience and easy publishing process for app developers. The next one is Apple App Store. Now, Apple App Store is the official app store for Apple iOS devices, known for its stringent quality standards and well-curated selection of iOS mobile apps. Now, the next one is Amazon App Store. Now, this app store is totally for free and also has a higher audience like that of the Play Store. This is an alternative app store for Android devices, providing app developers with additional distribution channels and exposure to all of Amazon's user base. Now, monetizing your mobile app or gaming app with Google Admob is a viable strategy for generating a consistent revenue from your app. Now, listen, this is something that once you've done it, you do it for just one time and it's there on your app stores. That's how it keeps accumulating revenues for you. It could start from little $1, $2. Before you know it, you're counting more than thousands of dollars from these apps. By following the simple steps I've already showed you, you can make more money even without learning how to code. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.